Antibiotic resistance has been around since antibiotics were invented.
Resistance predates antibiotics, and we will fight that battle in perpetuity.
We should be rethinking a sustainable solution to this problem rather than simply throwing money at the problem as we have done in the past, thinking that's going to buy us more than 5 or 10 years.
We have, and we will always have, under innovation when the social value of a service or product exceeds the private value of a service or product.
We need to do something different than just providing patents or exclusivity to encourage innovation.
When a firm is deciding where to invest to get the greatest expected returns, it's often not in antibiotics as opposed to other drug classes.
If you need to spend $500 million getting an antibiotic to the marketplace, there has to be a return on that investment or investors won't come in. We need to incent that innovation or finance it one way or the other.
What we really need is sort of this virtuous cycle of scientific innovation.